Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mark and today I will teach you some fitness choreography. So the title of the song is Learn to Meow. It's a Chinese song and it's popular in TikTok. So this choreography composed of 4 parts. The chorus, the part A, part B, and the part C. Okay? So let's start with the chorus part first. So first move, all you need to do is move side to side like this, and with the elbows up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So elbow shoulder level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is the meow meow meow. So I call it meow 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 because it's too cute. So arms like this, and then you all go all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's the second. And the third one is the lucky arm cut. So arms like this. So you're gonna have side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to meow meow meow. This time it's side to side. Yes, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, side to side. And then the fourth one is the shoulder roll. So take your feet wide. All you need to do is bend your knees and roll your shoulders to the back. Single, single, hold. Single, single, hold. Or quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. So you're gonna do that 2 times. And then the last one is the body rock. So your right leg step forward, turn your body to the side, and then your body rock goes up, down, up, down. So your arm switching, right, left, right, left. So that's it. So let's put it all together. So this is the chorus part. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The meow, meow, meow. Lucky arm. Meow, 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 side to side. Shoulder roll to the back. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Body rock. Down, up, down, and finish it. So guys, so let's proceed to the part A. So the part A is composed of 2 combos. Yes, 2 combos. So let's start with the feet together. Arms goes up, up, cross, down. Do it again. Up, up, cross, down. One more time. Up, up, cross, down. Just keep walking. Up, up, cross, down. Okay. The next step is the body weight going to the side. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Okay. So this time let's add the arms. Arms up. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. That's it. So let's put it all together. Feet together. Go. 5, 6, 7. Go. Up, up, cross, down, body weight. Same thing going to the other side. This time your left arms lead. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Go. Up, up, cross, down, wave. Easy as that. Do it again. Let's try it. Right and left. 5, 6, 7, go. Up, up, cross, down, wave. Left side. Up, up, cross, down, wave. Perfect. Okay, next, the part B. So the part B is also composed of 2 combos. Let's start with the V step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, forward, back, back. Leading with your right leg. Forward, forward, back, back. Do it again. Forward, forward, back, back. Last one. Forward, forward, back, back. That's it. And then the next step is the push. So you're gonna push your arms side to side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Push, push. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Push and push. 5, 6, 7, go. Push, push. Easy as that. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Push, push. Easy. Now let's put it together. the V step, and the arm push. Okay? So then, this time, if you're doing the V step, arms here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, push. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, push. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, push. And that's the part B. And then the last one is the part C. The very easy part. So all you need to do is bring your feet together and just sway your body side to side. Like that. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. And then your arms come up and then release. So you're gonna do this 2 times. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Release. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Release. That's it. So guys, that's all. Can we try now with the music? Let's go. Okay guys, so ready? Here we go. So let's start with the chorus part. Elbows up. Meow, meow, meow. Lucky arm. Meow, meow, meow. Shoulder roll. Quick, hold. Quick. Body rock. Up, down, down. Part A. Up, up, cross, down, way. Other side. Up, cross, down, way. V step. Push other side. Do it again, V step. Part A again. Up, up. Part B, V step. Push side to side. Remember the chorus part? Here we go. Chorus part. Elbows up. Meow, meow, meow. Lucky arms. Meow, meow, meow. Shoulder roll. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Body rock. Same thing again. Lucky arms. Body side to side. So you're gonna do the 2 times. Part A. So, yeah. Part B. Push. One more time. Chorus again. Lucky arm. Shoulder roll. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Body rock. Do it again. And so that's our choreography. So guys, if you like the choreography, please subscribe to our channel, World of Mark and Che, and also hit the notification bell to get you more updated. Thank you. God bless. Peace. Wait, guys, there's more. If you want to see us dancing to this song, please subscribe to MNL Crew YouTube channel and give us there a thumbs up. Peace.